This is honeycomb. I don't know why some things are covering, like, I don't know what it is, but covering the honeycomb, I did not know why. And how does bees insert the pollen into the comb? That's something I've been wondering. And first of all, how did they fit the camera inside? And how is the bees not flying around it? I think this is autumn, probably spring, I don't know. Corn. I don't know what fish that is, but it really does have a weird smile. Wait, this is egg yolk, right? Not corn. Look, egg yolk up close kind of looks like corn, but it isn't. I don't know if this is a moth or a butterfly. It's probably kind of obvious that it's a butterfly, but what if it isn't? A bee? Bees don't collect they don't collect from every flower. I think that's kind of obvious though, since of course they can't collect from every single flower. Some don't even make pollen or honey. This, I have a feeling it's autumn, not spring, because I kind of get confused with those two. I don't know what island that is. Wait, is that water, like that really dark green thing? Is that water? Okay, now we're going up to the blue section. Okay, I love watching the ocean. The ocean is beautiful, and if you don't agree with me, then I don't know what you agree with, but the ocean is beautiful. I do not know what shark that is, but I have a feeling it's let me think, kind of like a tiger shark. I have a feeling it's that. Oh my god, is that a stingray? Why does the mouth open so wide like that? That's kind of creepy. Oh my god, I love seeing the ocean when it's so clear. You can just see right through the ocean, and that's just gorgeous. The water splashing just attracted my eyes right to it. And the fact that the fish aren't all together, it kind of confuses me. Like, how are y'all surviving? Okay, now this kind of confusing since they're all everywhere. Yeah. Oh, these stingrays, they're so unique. But the thing is, how does the mouth open so wide like that? Like, that's so creepy. This looks fake, but I don't know if it's real. Oh my god. Jellyfish are very unique, and the fact that they can light up makes it better. They can light up in the dark, and that's just so cool. Oh my god. Do seagulls also eat insects? Like, do they eat insects? Like, I don't know. Do they? The ocean is, like, gorgeous. Like, how people are scared of the ocean. Like you can die, but like it's not that common. Wow, that fish is huge. I've never seen such a thing. I don't know what fish it is, but that is huge. Are those dolphins or sharks? Because I don't think a shark can swim that fast. Or can they? I don't think so. Wow, that sun is so bright. I can literally, it hurts my eyes through the camera. Yep, the ocean again. It's just beautiful. Like, how come you think it's scary? Like, the outside just looks, oh my, like, beautiful. I used to think that lighthouses were only fictional, not real. I thought they were fake. See? Like, what is that? Like, there's a white thing in the ocean, like, it doesn't look like a wave, just floating around. Wow, there is a lot of oceans. Like in this video, there is a lot of oceans. And yeah, well, I'm not annoyed that there's too many oceans, but I mean it's cool. Oh my god. What is that? Wait, I think it's the same fish that I saw, but that is creepy. I don't even think that's a fish. But I guess it is. A school of fish. Oh my god. Fish is like how unique the patterns are on a fish. They're just so cool. Oh my god, I saw this already. I've seen this one again. I saw this, like, they are creepy. The way their mouth just opens wide is just, oh my god, so scary. Like, imagine actually encountering that animal, that stingray, and it opening its mouth like really wide. That's really creepy. Okay, now this one I think is a great white shark. Yeah, something like that, but it actually glows in the dark. Like in the dark, deep in the ocean. Is that a seahorse? Because that don't look like that one. That looks like a robot. Like, is that even a sea? Oh my god, that's gorgeous. Yeah, exactly. The fish patterns are just fabulous. Never seen such a thing. And they even have unique things on the bottom. These jellyfish. Like on the bottom of it.